Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking ribeye burger. It's time to grill. Great to have you back on 0815 barbecue. This is tonight's star. This is a 300 grams Canada gold beef ribeye. This one is also called entrecôte, which is more or less the same. I explained it last week. You might have seen the butter sous vide ribeye steak I made. A lot of people were into this, a lot of reactions. And today I decided to make a hand-chopped ribeye burger. So ribeye is perfect because it has a nice amount of fat, a great share of fat. So we have enough fat to have a great patty coming out of one ribeye. So all you have to do is take a sharp knife. I used my Chroma turbo knife. I will put a link into the video description. I got a lot of requests for the knife, and just chop it until it's completely minced and you are able to form a patty. So here is salt and pepper, and now give it a good mix. And 300 grams for one patty is really good. So once you're ready with forming the patty to the size you want, you like it, now put it in the freezer for 2 hours. In the meantime, this one is left in the freezer. We can start with our topping for the burger. So today this is kind of a Pico de Gallo topping. Pico de Gallo is slightly different. I decided in the end to add some avocado, which is not 100% Pico de Gallo like, but it's more or less a salsa. Call it whatever you like. All we need are cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description as always. You can check it out there. And if you want to give it a shot, it would be really cool if you grill this recipe. Make sure to make a photo, post it on Facebook, Insta, Twitter, wherever. Give me a tag, I can see it, or just the hashtag 0815 barbecue. So next step is cutting spring onions. We only need one spring onion. The amount of the topping is for 2 burgers today, but of course you can eat this anyway in combination to almost everything. So I'm not 100% accurate with that one. Just chop them up a little bit and then we are fine. So after tomatoes and spring onions, we take a jalapeno. We only need 1/2 of a jalapeno. If you are into more heat, of course you can use both. You can leave in the seeds. Dozens of possibilities of adding more heat to your Pico de Gallo or to your salsa. So just half, and there you go. So for me, this is enough. This is half avocado. I just take my knife and cut it like so, and then the other way, and then we can just take a spoon and take it out. That's for cutting and peeling in once. So that's it. We can now take a small bowl, add all the ingredients, and then we add salt and pepper and lime juice. Of course you can use lemon juice if you like. I'm more the lime guy. And here's the avocado. So that's our burger topping for today. We're gonna put this in the fridge for, I don't know, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. The lime juice will make the avocado stay green so it won't get brown. So that's it in the fridge, and that's the burger topping, which for me is 100% fitting perfect to the meat and the cheese we use today. So this is my cast iron pan. I heat it up a little bit. We add sunflower oil. Of course you can use any other vegetable oil you can use for frying, and I want to fry this burger. So it's the goal to get a crispy crust outside and leave it almost raw in the inside. That's what we are headed for. That's my purpose. I heard a lot of people complaining in the social media about that pictures with raw beef. This is 100% raw beef from a butchery I really trust. That's a fresh ribeye. You saw that in the beginning, and that's no problem for me. I would eat it raw as a tartare anyway, so I'm really fine with the results here. So that's the color we are looking for. Of course, I speed this also up a little bit and just make sure to have it a nice color from the outside. And then we put this on the indirect heat part of our grill. So the upper part of my broiling Imperial is it. And then we're gonna add some cheese. And you can put the pan underneath the place you let your burger patty rest, so the fat drippings won't fall and drip into your burner. So that's it. Now take it now off so the fat drippings can fall down a little bit, and then we add the cheese. This is a really big sized patty, so we can use 2 slices of cheddar cheese here. Just close the lid, let it rest there for approximately 15 till 20 minutes, and in the meantime I've also prepared my bun. And then we take some sauce. I like Sriracha. This is smoked Sriracha, one of my favorite sauces when it comes to burger toppings. 2 pieces of lettuce here. That is Romana lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like, of course. It's up to you. Then the patty. I really like when the size of the meat patty is a little bit bigger than the size of the bun. So for me, the shape of the burger is really important. So that's it. And then just 2 spoons of that nice looking burger topping, and you have now everything. You have sweet, you have sour, you have sugar, you have salt, you have a little bit of heat, cheese, and a real juicy patty. So no trying footage for today. I'm gonna give this a shot. Please hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet by clicking on the 0815 barbecue logo on the left side of the screen. Make sure to visit my Patreon site. I'll put a link in the video description. We're seeing us again in 2 days for more burger action. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.